Hello my friends, welcome back. I hope that you're all well and that you're ready for today's awesome Paracord project. We're gonna use the green Paracord 550 for the bracelet core or base, and gold and the black diamonds. The full tutorial how to create this 4-strand bracelet core with 2 working ends you have in the top right corner information cards. Also there you can find tutorial for this beautiful Paracord bracelet I'm wearing today, so make sure to check the information cards and the description box down below. The credit for today's project goes to our brother Pavel Makurin over the Cetus 550, so make sure to check the description box where I will post the link to Pavel's Instagram profile. Now we're gonna take the one end of gold and the black diamonds and we're gonna insert our fit. Then we're gonna detach this side from the jig or buckles, and we're gonna pull through the black and the gold diamonds strands. Now we're gonna rearrange a bit. Okay, this is enough, and then we're gonna take the ends of our gold and black diamonds and pull them together to find the center. So when we make our bracelet core and working ends, we're gonna start. We're gonna take our right side green and we're gonna pass it from the back through the gap between first and second core strand from the left side. And then we're gonna take the right side green and pass it under and from the back through the gap between first and second core strand from this right side. Now we're gonna take our gold and the black diamonds and we're gonna pass it from the back through the middle before these green cords, and then from the top through the gap between first and second core strand on the right side. Now from here we're gonna return it from the back through the same gap between first and second core strand on the right side, and then once more around and from the back through the loop on the right side. Like that. Now we're gonna take the left strand and we're gonna pass it from the back through the middle, and from the top through the gap between first and second core strand from the left side. Then we're gonna return it from the back through the same gap around these 2 core strands and the working ends of a green. So from the back through the gap, and now we're gonna pass it one more time around these 2 cords of a green from the back through the loop on the left side, and we're gonna tie it. Now we're gonna repeat. We're gonna take the right side green and pass it from the back through the gap between first and second core strand from the left side. Then we're gonna take the right side green and pass it under the core strands, and then from the back through the gap between first and second core strand from the right side. And now we're gonna take our gold and the black and we're gonna pass it from the back through the middle before these 2 green cords, and then pull it through. Now from the top we're gonna pass it into the gap between first and second core strand, and then to the back, and now we're gonna return it from the back through the same gap between first and second core strand from the right side and around the green cords. Now we're gonna cross it one more around the green cords and from the back through the loop on the right side. From here we're gonna take our left side gold and the black and we're gonna pass it through the middle. Then from the top into the gap between first and second core strand from the left side, and we're gonna return it from the same gap from the back through the same gap. And now from here we're gonna cross it or wrap it around these two strands of a green and then from the back through the loop on the left. So here we are. Our today's project is finished. I hope that you like it. If you do, don't forget to leave a like. So until the next time, wishing you just best, stay safe, be well, and see you soon in the next tutorial. Bye!